yɛhwɛ no area husem nti yɛn focus ne say other properties beyond this mall nti yɛpɛ kwan yɛbɛfa so yɛbɛbɔ other properties no ho ban na eja no entimi anko. So we have called for heavy equipment. What we want to do is that this structure is a compromise. We want to pull it down as early as possible to protect life. After that, fire service investigations for us to know what exactly may have triggered this sad incident. Then we are out of what fire service for Benjamin, then we know the next step to take. But a passionate appeal to all foreign nationals or more war search investments. We should not cut corners. So we are doing avoid paying the right volume of money for electricity in the Uber cutting corners. The Yensabekano and your papa. But what I say, and a lot of them like to smoke anyhow. Almost more conduct, you know. The way they imagine them, on the first floor in your furniture, and a fool for fire. Tinoma, a boa major, a contemporary near Tonwa. Till we have big a cabby and no agony. These are a gentleman at your how beba. I'm sad. I do a man and baby in these 6 months. Now, several millions of dollars investment in our call. You inquire who Juma, where they are going to find the next food tomorrow. We don't know. We would wait for the fire service to give us a conclusive investigative report. They will know how to deal with it. But for now, there are a lot of foreign shops, especially Chinese shops, that have come to Kumasi. We want them to take precautionary measures. From next week, we'll go around to ensure that how to use the fire extinguishers, because the initial information we are picking is that fire extinguishers maybe, but not acquiring use. No, it is in such a manner. And again, no most of you move this on better managing. It's only when a Jane Semansan or more calls to the fire department. Now, Master Yakuma, what is Irina in Bequem? Fire tenders on the air ban. Ya block a coin, cars and a block of coin, almost